Hi guys, happy April. I can't believe April is almost over. It's chapter 6, keeping track of your money. High version. Over the weekend, Keisha thinks about everything she will have to pay for. She decides that she wants to start a budget now. Keisha wants to be prepared for when she moves out on her own. Keisha asks her mother to help her make a budget. That's a good idea because if you go ahead and make a budget before you move out, you kind of have an idea of what you need to save for. Keisha and her mother sit down to work on a budget. It is a good choice to start a budget now. You will know how you are spending your money. This will help you reach your goal of living in an apartment on your own, says Keisha's mother. A budget keeps track of how much money a person earns and how much money they spend on different things. First, Keisha writes down how much money she earns. This gives them an idea of how much money Keisha has to spend. Keisha knows she makes about $190 every 2 weeks. Next, Keisha's mother asks her how she will spend her money. Keisha thinks hard about what things she wants to buy. She would like a new cell phone, clothes, and she wants to go to lunch with her friends. She also wants to save money to move in an apartment after she graduates. Keisha writes all of these things down on a piece of paper. So, as you can see here, she has what she wants to spend money on and what she wants to save money on. Now, Keisha must decide what she is going to spend her money on from her paycheck. Keisha must make choices about how she will spend her money. She knows she wants to save at least $150 of each paycheck for an apartment because that is the most important. Keisha figures out that after saving for her apartment, she has $40 left to spend from each paycheck. Next, Keisha looks at other things she wants to buy. She wants to go to lunch with her friends 6 times each paycheck, but that would cost her $15. $50, not 15, 50. So if she did that, she doesn't have enough money for it. She decides this is not a good way to spend her money. She would not have enough money for her apartment. She decides to spend $15 on lunch. Keisha keeps working on her budget. Finally, Keisha is able to make a budget that she can follow. She will save money for her apartment and have some money left to do fun things. Keisha knows it will be hard to stick to her budget. She will not be able to spend money on everything she wants. She will have to make good choices with her money. So she has $40 to spend, so she decided no cell phone. She's going to spend $25 on clothes and $15 on lunch. Keisha's mother says, "You can do it, Keisha. You have a goal. You have a plan for your future. You have already started working toward that goal. Now let's get you to work so you can start making more money." Keisha smiles. She is happy and excited she will work to meet her goal. Okay, y'all, that's the end of chapter 6. Go ahead and log into the modules and see what your assignment is. Have a great day.